welcome to Airlink International Aviation College. It's a very opportune time to be with us this year as we journey towards our 35 years of foundation. We started in 1984 with a few airplanes, and now we have 22 training planes and several aviation training equipments to support our program. This month, we will be ushering in the Shensha program, which highlights technology, science, collaboration, and sharing among our students and various subject matter experts in the field of aviation.
Shensha comes from the phrase Scientia Potentia Est, or Scientia Est Potentia, or Scientia Potestas Est, which is a Latin aphorism meaning knowledge is power.
Excited to be a part of each and everyone's lives as we mold and forge brilliant future aviation professionals, not only in the Philippines, but in the world as a whole. So to all of you, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Mabuhay, and may the good Lord bless us all. Thank you.